Hi guys, so I find myself for the second time in less than a week needing to react to current events with regard to um, assistance dog access denials. Excuse me while I fix the microphone. Qantas has had a reputation in the assistance dog community for refusing access unless your dog was trained by a particular organization. As I have discussed in recent videos, federally speaking, your dog does not need to be trained by a particular organization in order to have federal assistance dog disability discrimination protection. Apparently, their lawyers have come to their senses because they recently settled a case where an owner has taken them to federal court for refusing an assistance dog that was not organization trained. I published a video 2 or 3 days ago saying that access denials needed to stop. This is ridiculous. To the best of my knowledge, Alan Joyce was still the CEO when this happened. I cannot remember who the current CEO of Qantas is, but this behaviour is despicable and needs to cease. It is appalling. It is unacceptable. However, as I stated in my most recent reaction to the member for Northcote's constituent question which she raised, and I will link the member for Northcote's question down in the description down here. Victoria's regulations are not helping the situation. So we need regulatory reform ASAP with regard to Victoria, because I suspect that will assist the situation as regards owner-trained assistance dogs, which prior to December of last year was perfectly legal in Victoria. You did not need to prove any obedience, you just needed to prove a training log. But the point remains, disability discrimination is appalling, and it is even more so because Qantas is our national carrier. It is appalling that the airline that represents the country sees fit to discriminate against people with disabilities. Qantas has known for a while that if a lawsuit was launched under the DDA, the Disability Discrimination Act, Commonwealth 1992, they would be in trouble. Otherwise, why would you settle? It is appalling and needs to stop. It's not okay. It was never okay. Congratulations to the handler concerned. You're amazing. You stood up for your rights, and you really, really shouldn't have to fight. You shouldn't have to drag the national carrier to court. But you did. And you're incredible. And you ought to be commended. Thank you so much. You're amazing. I'm sorry you had to go through it. It's horrible. It's challenging enough flying with medical conditions, but to be separated from the one thing that can warn you before it happens, I know personally that's not okay. Thanks so much for standing up, for not being afraid, for calling bullshit on their shitty policies that most of us knew wouldn't stand up. So thank you.